Mr. Speaker, seriously, I heard some people today complaining that somebody with a capital of 300,000, he is feared to keep that money in his home. He take to the bank. Maybe the profit he will get out of that 300,000 is 5,000 or 7,000 naira. The bank will remove 15,000 for the deposit. Mr. Speaker, if we look at the situation, Mr. Speaker, people are suffering in this country, and now we are going to the CBN now are trying to become a robbers. Definitely, Mr. Speaker, if CBN will post this, how can you, Mr. Speaker, just you take your money, your own money to the bank to keep? Bank will remove when you just to remove something because we keep the money. Mr. Speaker, people, this money is very.
Honorable Kazaure, it's called handling charges. Handling charges.
Mr. Speaker, there is handling. They are reducing the charges. Constantly, there is charges already. Yes. Whenever you put money in the bank, they will remove the charges, and monthly they will remove withdrawal percentage every month. Already there is that withdrawal percentage and others. But this, Mr. Speaker, just if you deposit money, you keep your money. So now they are telling us that our local people will fear to take their money to the bank. And at last, then the criminal will get opportunity to go and continue stealing the money. So, Mr. Speaker, seriously, this issue will cause serious problem in this country. That is why we must call the attention of the CBN to stop this implementation. Now, Mr. Speaker, they said, if you are withdrawing 500,000, above 500,000, there is charges. Of course, since we need the cashless policy in this country, that policy is good. If you need more cash, you pay. That one, there is no. But when you just deposit, you are depositing your money, and they are withdrawing something. And when you come to withdraw, so at last, somebody with a small capital, a bank will make him to become loose, Mr. Speaker. At last, if we allow this to continue in this country, Mr. Speaker, seriously, we cannot go to our constituency. If we go to our constituency.
Thank you, Honorable. Thank you.